just want to go over our 2005 FXDC that we built from the ground up. Bike started off bone stock. Picked up in Atlanta, local bike. It's only got 7,624 miles on it. Just want to go over a few of the parts and special things that we did to it. We'll start in the front with a set of 10-inch risers with an LSL bar, Kraus triple trees, Ohlins inverted front forks, Beringer hand controls, Beringer brakes, Harley Davidson original quarter fairing, Harley Davidson original chin fairing, all custom painted, a custom gray color that we picked out. From there we did a Bung Crashbar with a Sawicki exhaust system that we had to massage to fit around this custom roaring Toyz Swingarm that we did. We also did Roland Sands rocker boxes, Baker's 5-into-6 transmission with a hydraulic clutch conversion. We also did speed merchant pegs, did the Beringer rear master cylinder also. Black bike wheels with a set of 60/40 on-road, off-road tires, just kind of give it a cool look. Ohlins 13.5 piggyback shocks, lay down license plate, and a Moon's MC taillight. Have any questions, please hit up the website. We do have this bike for sale. Thanks a lot.